You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Welcome back, guys. All right, let's get to it. You know how to do it. As usual, I'm going to give you what nobody else does. I'm going to give you the monitor right up here in the corner so you can see what I'm doing on my workout. And if you have the same kind of machine, whether it's the M3, the M5, or the M7, you can come along. You can compare what you can do against me. Say hi to Little Millie here, and he'll be down in the corner. Thumbs up guy, and he'll be down in the other corner, reminding you to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So today, we are going to do the 14-minute workout. I'm going to try to keep it above 20 RPMs, or right in that area on the relaxation part, and then try to get it in the red on the sprint time. This is an interval 14-minute program. I am not like the Bowflex advertisement with the models. This is the real deal. This machine works. And if you're going to work out with me, this 50-year-old guy is going to kick your ass. So, watch this little break that I have for you, advertising the other parts of my channel. And when you get back, make sure your warm-up is done. Make sure you have your water and be ready to sweat. I'll see you when you get back. Our sponsor today, it's push-up time. Did you know on this same channel that we offer push-ups and sit-ups? Just check the videos, go through the other listings and the ones to come. We do all-around workout here. So enjoy the Max Trainer. It's push-up time, it's sit-up time, and if we get more requests, we'll continue on with its pull-up time. I don't know if I'm ready for this. It's going to be a hard one. To maintain above that 20 RPMs is very hard when you're supposed to be relaxing. But, you know me, within 14 minutes, I want to break 300 calories. So, let's get ready. And on the countdown, we will hit the Big Max button. 3, 2, 1, hit. Right into a sprint. Try to keep it above that 20 RPMs. I forgot to set my iWatch. There we go. Resistance of 10 on my machine. You put yours where you need it. Set my green arrows, indicators, so I make sure I stay there. Interval training is good, but if you're going to let it drop down too low and just creep along, you're not going to get the results you want. 15 seconds. Then we go into sprint number 2. 5 seconds. Here we go. Seconds. 5. Relax. I don't want to discourage you from working out with me. Do what you can do. And just because I'm recording for YouTube channel, I'm not going to back my work off for beginners. You just adjust yourself according to what you can do. Okay? Doing good. Get used to sipping water when we're relaxing. 15 seconds. Sprint number 3. 5 seconds. Don't think about it, just do it. Five seconds. Relax. If you can't hold it in the red when you're sprinting, just do your best. I couldn't do it when I first got this machine. $163 on the heart rate. Next sprint, be number 4. Goes by quick, man. There's only a total of 8 sprints. Ten seconds. 5. Here we go. Stay with it. 5 seconds. Beautiful. Halfway done. 162 calories so far. Ooh, I feel the sweat pouring down. $170 on the calories, 164 on the heart rate. Remember guys, the more you work out, the lower your heart rate's going to be. It's a good thing. It means your heart's getting stronger. $15 seconds. Sprint number 5. Five seconds. Get ready. Here we go. Come on, keep it in red. Five seconds. Relax. Get a drink of water. $210 calories. I'm doing good. Nice deep breath. Get the oxygen down deep into your lungs. "30 seconds. Sprint number 6. You can do it. Nobody's stopping you but yourself. Don't give up. 10 seconds. 5. Here we go. Relax. 2 more sprints left. Don't give up. You can teach yourself how not to give up when nobody's watching. Imagine what you can do when you got somebody cheering for you at the finish line. Your toughest opponent ever in this life is yourself. Remember that. 30 seconds. Sprint number 7. Don't give up. You can go through a whole race looking great. You give up at the end, our race was for nothing. 10 seconds. 5. Here we go. Seconds. 5. Pace it out. Almost there. 1 left. 300 calories. I'm not one of them Bowflex fitness models. It's the real deal. Go to Bowflex to buy the machine. Come back here to work out. 30 seconds. One sprint left. 15. Don't quit. 5. Here we go. I know your legs are numb. So are mine. Don't quit. Keep it going. 5. Now pace. You're at 50 calories. 173 on the heart rate. 1 minute left. Don't give up on me. Seconds. You can do this. Once you go through the finish line, don't quit before it. Stay with me. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Oh. If you ain't breathing heavy, you didn't do it. See you next time. Great workout.